Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Live FX. Today I'm going to be discussing on how to trade and how to place a trade to trade successful. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to be notified on whenever I drop a new video on how to trade successful. Today I'm going to be trading on a 5-minute chart, and I'm going to be telling you on how to set everything on how to trade and how to trade successfully, how to get the big candlestick. Please don't miss out my trade. Don't miss out my trade. It never fails. This is a strategy that has been backtested by me on a demo account, and is what I'm using to make my money into my real account. There, let's go into the trade. First of all, this is a 1 hour time frame. This is a 1 hour time frame, as you can see over here, but we are going to change it to 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, this is on our 5 minutes now. First of all, before you start trading, you have to always watch out for resistance. You have to always watch out for the resistance area. Now let's go into the settings to set our chart on how to trade successful. First of all, you come to this F button. You click on this F button. It takes you to your indicator. I'm going to be trading with RSI. I'm going to be trading with the RSI. You move down. What's our RSI? RSI is relative strength index. This is it. This is what I'm going to be trading on only for today and this video. So click on it. Now this is my settings on the 14 period. Apply to close. Style, I like using the yellow, my 3 pips. Then these are my levels: 10, 20, 15, 90, 80, 70 and 30. These are my levels. If you want to add your levels, you come to this place that has a pencil. You click on it. This is how to add it. You come to this place that has a cross symbol. You click on it. It will be added. Then you can also name them if you want to name it. In this description, if you can also name them if you want to name it. Let's go back to our chart. When you have set whatever you want to set finish, you come to this place. You click on done. Automatically it will pop up in this down. This is it here. Now, how do we trade this? You go back. Always watch out. Always watch out. This is the highest. When it is on 70, it is overbought. It must come down. There is always a must that it must come down. And always watch out. Always watch out. This is our overbought. As you can see it here, we have an overbought over here. We have an overbought over here. Then the next candlestick that was forming, look at it here. There was a pullback. There was a heavy pullback from here. As you can see, there was a heavy pullback down to this point. Now, if you are trading and you catch this, just give me a minute, please. If you want to bring out this your object, this is how to bring it out. You tap on your screen. You come on this place that has the 3 symbol. You click on it. It will automatically take you to this object. This is what I'm going to be using for this. Now, this is it. From here, if you catch this place, if you catch this trade, I bet you, even if you have a small account, you can grow your small account. Even if you have a small account, you can grow your small account from here to this place, to this point. Always remember to watch for resistance. Always remember to watch for resistance. Now, this is our last resistance from the previous chart. That was why when this trade sold from here to this point. There was a massive pullback up. There was a massive pullback up over here, as you can see. There was a massive pullback up before it came down again. Before it came down again to this point. Now, if you catch this trade and you trade from here to this point, do you know how many pips you are trading on? Do you know how many pips is this? And if you use a good lot, I bet you this is a good trade. Now, let me go back to this trade. As I was saying, from year to year, and whenever you are trading with your RSI, which is your relative strength index, which is from the 70, always watch out on this 50. If you are not sure of the trade, please, once it gets to this 50, take whatever profit it has given to you and leave the market. Please, for you not to get stopped on the market and for you not to lose a trade. Whenever it gets to this point here, take your profit and leave the market. From here, I bet you, from here, watch this trade. I'm trading with only my RSI. I'm not trading with any other indicator. But in my next video, I will tell you on how to trade with the moving average, the envelope, the Kimocho. I will tell you on how to trade with all those indicators, how to trade successful. It has been back tested. I've been trading with this strategy for a very long time and it has never failed me. From year to year, it is a good trade. This is it. From here, this is it. As you can see, from here, once it gets to my 70 points, immediately take a sell. Once it gets to my 70 points, now let's go back. Let's see on order. You see, on this place it was ranging. As you can see, on this point it was ranging. This is on the 5-minute trade and this is a scalping trade. You don't need to stay long on this trade. If you are trading the forex market on a 5 minutes, it's very volatile. You don't need to stay very long. It came to this point, it got to this point, although it did not hit. Always wait for it to touch the 70 line. Most times it may get to this 80, most times it may not get to this 80, but once it gets to this point on a 5-minute chart, on a 5-minute time frame, take a sell. Now let's check on the, look at it over here. Are you seeing this? Once it gets to my 70, I take a sell from here, from this point down to my 50, and I'm out of the trade. To trade successful. But right now we don't know the movement of this trade because we are not trading with our moving average. But on my next video, I'll be telling you on how to trade with your moving average and your RSI. With these two indicators, you can trade very successful. From here, it gets to my 70, it sold. It hasn't get to my 50, I'm still on this trade, and it gets back up. Then it came down to my 50. Whenever I get to this 50, I'm out of the trade. I don't trade anymore. I will just wait for it to just give me my overbought and oversold level. To get to my overbought, as you can see, it gets to this point, to 30, and it bought straight to my 50, and it bought straight to 50. It has been back tested and it has been working for me very, very well. Here now we have an overbought to the 20 level, as you can see over here, and it consolidates, keep on consolidating, then it moves to the 50 points. As you can see, it has been back tested. I'm using this strategy. Now look at it over here. Now it gets to our 80 points, it came down to 70. It was on consolidation move, and during this period you have to be very careful. But don't always forget to use your object to draw your trend. How do we do that? Tap on the screen, come to this place that has a tree icon, you click on it, come to this place that has a cross symbol. If you already have an object on the screen, you can't add it except you come to this place that has a cross symbol, you click on it, then you add on anyone you want to use. Now I'm going to be using my arrow line. Now I'm going to draw from here. Always remember to trade it. Always remember to check on your resistance. To check on the last resistance to know whatever you are trading on. Now this is it. Now when you get to this point, there was a strong pullback from here. Always remember to use your arrow line to know what you are trading on. The resistance is always advisable. Check on your resistance whenever you are trading on. When it gets to this place now, there was a kind of consolidation over here before it sold. As you can see, if you're on this trade now, when it sold to your 50 points, log out your trade. This is 5 minutes. Always remember, we are trading on 5 minutes. We are not trading on 1 hour. We are trading on 5 minutes. Log out your trade, take your whatever profit you have from the market and leave. This strategy has been working for me for a very long time. As you can see over here, we have an oversold from here. You click on buy, you click on buy and you take it to the up, this point. Whatever profit you have, you leave the market and it came down again. As you can see, it has been working for me. It has been back tested. Don't forget to get on these settings. Come on this your F button. Click on your F button. You come to your main chart. This is your main chart. You click on your main chart and you can add your indicator, which is the RSI, relative strength index. This is it. You click on it. These are my settings. I've been using this, I've been trading with it and it's working for me. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any other question or anything you are not understanding in the trading market, you can always follow me up on my social media handle, and you can also you can join our Telegram channel to see on how we trade. We also give signals. We have platform for signals. We give signals. Okay, thank you very much for liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel. On my next video, I'll be telling you on how to trade with your moving average, how to use the moving average to trade with your RSI, and I bet you can never lose trade again. Thank you very much.